Hi guys, so I'm here and I'm gonna open some Shopkins, and they are the fashion mall ones and they have 2 hidden Shopkins inside. So let's get started. Okay, so now let's open these up. So the first one is, sorry, look at this. Look at the bottom, it's so pretty, it's shiny, and here's a little top. I really like this one. Oh, and guys, sorry, this is the level 1 and it says the ski wear. So let me get the next one out. Whoa. And here's the next one. I think this is supposed to be a little jacket. Yeah, it's supposed to be a little jacket. It's really cute. Now we're going to the level 2 active wears. So let's take this first one out. I think this one's a little backpack because at the other side there's like the strings that you hold on to. This one's so cute. I really like this backpack. So let's go to the next one. I'm thinking this is a hat. Let's check it out. Okay. Yeah, this one's a little cute hat. So cute. I like the colors. It's like purple at the top and it's blue at the bottom. Really cute. So let's go to the last one. And I think this is a watch. Yeah, it's a little watch. Look how cute this is. Now we're going to the level 3 sleepwear, which is so cute. Because they're fluffy, I think. Whoa, this one fell off. And this one's coming over here. One second, let me take this one out. Put it over here so it won't be messy. This one's so fluffy and cute. I think this is supposed to be a little pajama. I don't know if you guys can. Oh, there's some light over here. Yeah, that's good. So it's like good that it's really, really, really soft. So let's go to the next one. I think this is a little sleeping mask. Really cute. One second, let me get this out. These are all fluffy, the sleepwear ones. So I'm excited to see how this one's fluffy. Oh, it's a little sleeping mask. It's really cute and soft. Oh, I just want to rub this so much. This one's so cute. I think it's like a sleep robe. I don't know what this is, but it's really, really, really cute. Look at this nail polish. It came right here, so it doesn't say the name, what it is. Sorry that it's really, really bumpy, but this one's fluffy too. Let's open up the surprise ones, which are the 2 hidden ones. So let's open this one up. Okay, I got this one open. Let's see. Oh no, I think we got a duplicate. But look, they're twins. I don't think this is a duplicate. What is this? I think this is a radio. Look how cute this is. This one's not a duplicate. Show all of the new Shopkins that I just got for you guys in a row right here. So guys, these are all the ones that we got. These are the surprise ones, and all of these are the other ones that they came, which we can already see. My favorite ones are these, the fluffy ones, of course. So hope you guys like this video. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.